Dear listeners, today, I want to share with you the true meaning of happiness, a happiness that transcends the fleeting moments of pleasure and delves into the depths of our souls. Let us explore this profound concept through three transformative points. Number 1. Confidence in God's faithfulness. Happiness, in its truest sense, begins with a foundation of unwavering faith in a higher power. Embrace the belief that there is a guiding hand that leads us through life's journey. In moments of doubt and uncertainty, find solace in the knowledge that you are not alone and there is a divine plan unfolding for you. Having confidence in God's faithfulness means surrendering our worries and fears, trusting that everything happens for a reason. The ups and downs of life are part of a grand design that is beyond our comprehension. Embrace the notion that happiness can be found in surrendering to the flow of life, knowing that the divine is orchestrating every step of the way. Number 2. Passion for people. Genuine happiness is not found in selfish pursuits but in our connections with others. Cultivate a passion for people, for it is in serving, loving, and uplifting others that our lives gain deeper meaning. Embrace the power of compassion, kindness, and empathy. When we extend a helping hand to others, we experience a sense of fulfillment that transcends our own needs. Understand that the happiness we seek is intertwined with the happiness of those around us. Find joy in making a positive impact on someone else's life. Celebrate their successes, support them in their struggles, and share in their joys. In nurturing meaningful relationships, we discover that happiness is not just a personal quest but a collective journey. Number 3. See circumstances in God's perspective. True happiness comes from seeing our circumstances through the lens of the divine. While life may present us with challenges and hardships, there is a higher purpose and wisdom at play. Embrace the idea that our trials can be opportunities for growth and transformation. When we shift our perspective and seek God's wisdom, we can find meaning even in the most difficult situations. Embrace the lessons that life offers, and trust that there is a greater plan unfolding. Embracing God's perspective allows us to rise above our circumstances and find a sense of peace and contentment amidst the chaos of life. In conclusion, my friends, the true meaning of happiness lies in three transformative points. Have confidence in God's faithfulness, trusting in the grand plan that unfolds before you. Cultivate a passion for people, for in serving others, we find a profound sense of fulfillment. See your circumstances through the lens of the divine, finding purpose and growth in every step of your journey. Seek happiness not in external possessions or achievements but within the depths of your soul. Let your faith, love for others, and divine perspective guide you to a happiness that is lasting and fulfilling. Remember that true happiness is not a destination, it is a journey that unfolds as we grow and learn to embrace the beauty of life's ups and downs. Embrace the true meaning of happiness, and may it lead you to a life filled with joy, contentment, and peace. Believe in the happiness that resides within you. Embrace it. Looking for a daily dose of inspiration and motivation? Look no further. Subscribe to my YouTube channel dedicated to all things motivational and join a community of like-minded individuals on a journey towards personal growth and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life one video at a time. Hit that subscribe button now.